Hello modders! Today we will do a little experiment. We have here a Seiko SRPG33 and we will try to replace the glass with an SRPE sapphire crystal available at our store, Watch in Style. Let's take out the NATO strap first. And here, we will be using the SRPE Sapphire Crystal Glass, model 𝓤𝓪𝓽𝓬𝓱, double dome design for SRPE, to replace the mineral crystal of the SRPG33. Let us now proceed with the basic process in replacing the glass. A more detailed process of this procedure is explained at a separate video in our channel. Let's find the right die for this glass. Looks like a 34mm fits just right. Remove the movement set to have access to the glass. Detailed videos of removing each component is available at our channel. Hint in removing the glass: use a rotating bezel as a lever to easily push the glass. Then, use the coin cushion technique. The glass gasket for the SRPG33 can be replaced by using the glass gasket for the SRPE, since they have the same glass diameter. Using a 34mm die, we now install the 𝓤𝓪𝓽𝓬𝓱 sapphire glass. The glass replacement is a perfect fit. Do not forget to clean the components before reinstalling. Again, the detailed process of installation is explained in a separate video in our channel. There you have it, our little experiment, replacing an SRPG33 mineral glass with a double dome sapphire glass. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.